be skilled as much as possible by inspecting your own home at least 10 times. Before you conduct a home inspection for a real client or offer your services to an employer, you should be skilled and experienced as much as possible. And that's just on your own homes. Next, after you inspect your own home for 10 times, you go to your neighbor. And they know who you are already, right? Because you've been telling everybody in your neighborhood that you're a home inspector and you want to inspect their home for free. You don't have to worry about contracts or anything. You're just doing it for free, out of courtesy, right? And it's not for a client, just your friends, your neighbor's home, and you're getting experience and you're developing a skill set. And then at the end of the inspection, you're going to inform your client, your neighbor, your friend, your family member, your coworker, whoever you do the free inspections for in order to get skills. You're going to inform them how their home works, how to maintain it, if there are any problems, what the problems are, and how to fix it, and who should fix them.